Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Today we have a question sent in by Bob from Dallas. Bob is interested in taking a chart from Excel and pasting it over to PowerPoint. Now, I know that we use Excel for everything, but occasionally sometimes we have to go outside of Excel, and Microsoft has provided some great little add-in tools that work well with Excel. And today we're going to learn how to take a chart from Excel over to that other little add-in called PowerPoint. So I have some data here in Excel. I'm going to select the data, create a chart with one keystroke, that's the F11 key, and then right-click and change the chart location back to be an object in the original worksheet. Excel charts by default tend to look horrible. I'm going to right-click, Format Plot Area, choose Fill Effects, and choose a preset gradient to add some color to the chart. I could go through and do any other formatting that I wanted to do. I want to get rid of the border around the outside of the chart, so I'm going to click somewhere in the white space. When I click in the white space, I've selected the whole chart, and now Ctrl-1 will take me to format the chart area, and I can say that I want a border of none. Click OK. Now I still have the entire chart selected. If I would accidentally unselect that, I want to click on the chart, but in the white space to select the whole chart. Control-C to copy, and I'll switch over to PowerPoint. I've inserted a new slide and changed the slide layout to just be a title at the top with nothing else. And now we're going to go to Edit, Paste Special, and paste this as a picture. Click OK, and you'll see that we now get the chart without the border. I'm able to resize it as necessary to make it fill up the chart. Now the reason that I paste as picture, if I just use Edit Paste, it brings the chart, but it also brings the entire workbook along. So let's say I had 20 worksheets, each with different work papers, maybe some confidential information. If I would just paste that to PowerPoint, someone would be able to double click on the chart and see all of the work papers behind the chart. To keep the file size small and also for privacy reasons, I want to copy the chart and use Edit, Paste Special, Paste as picture to make sure that I just bring the chart along. So there you go. There's a question from Bob in Dallas, how to take a chart from Excel and move it over to PowerPoint if for some reason you need to use PowerPoint instead of Excel. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.